Imagine yourself in this 2013 Ford Territory.
This well-presented vehicle could be just right for you.
Get more for your money with a car that features dependability and low kilometres.
That responds smoothly to its automatic transmission.
Optimise your fuel economy with this vehicle.
Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: central locking, cruise control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors, power windows, satellite navigation, side airbag, stability control.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Enjoy the comfort of dual temperature controls. Memory settings put you back in the right place every time. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. Safety is often a big concern, and if it is important to you, know this car comes equipped with the right safety equipment. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.